Welcome to Vivegam V+. Today I am going to explain you credit creation. We are going to learn about the amount of credit created by the commercial bank. The amount of credit created by the bank depends on LRR and also the initial deposit. And I am going to explain you credit multiplier as well as credit creation. Is there any difference between these two? Yes, there is a difference between credit multiplier and credit creation. What is credit multiplier? Credit multiplier is the reciprocal of LRR. Already I explained you CRR and SLR. If you add CRR and SLR, we will get LRR. So here the formula is 1 by LRR, and if the LRR is 25% of initial deposit, the K will be 4. So what is K? We can denote credit multiplier by the letter K. So the value is 4. You can substitute in the formula. So 1 by 25 into 100, we will get the value 4. And next one is credit creation. The amount of credit created by the commercial bank depends on both initial deposit and LRR. So the formula is initial deposit into 1 by LRR, or we can substitute instead of LRR we can use K. And if the LRR is high, the credit creation will be somewhat less, and if the initial deposit is high, credit creation will be high. So there is an indirect relationship between LRR and credit creation, and direct relationship between initial deposit and credit creation. Now we are going to calculate credit multiplier as well as credit creation by using an example. See the example. Calculate credit multiplier if the legal reserve ratio is 10% and the initial deposit of a commercial bank is rupees 1 lakh. What will be the total credit money created by the bank? Here the formula is for K 1 by LRR, and LRR value is 10%, so we will get the K value 10. And next we have to substitute in the formula initial deposit into K, we will get the value 10 lakhs. So total amount of credit created by the commercial bank is 10 lakh when the initial deposit is 1 lakh and the value of K is 10. Now we are going to find the answer for MCQs. See the first sum, if CRR is 5% and SLR is 20%, then the credit multiplier is. We know that LRR is equal to SLR plus CRR. So now what's the answer for LRR is 25%. If the LR is 25, we will get the value of K is 4. The correct answer is option B. Next one, if the credit created by the bank is rupees 1000 and the initial deposit is 250, what is the value of credit multiplier and LRR? So far we have seen how much amount of credit is created by the bank. But here what is given? The credit created by the bank is given and the initial deposit is given. Now we are going to find the value of K as well as the LRR. This is something different. So we are substituting in the formula. We have to substitute the values in the formula. So 1000 is the amount total credit created by the bank. So 1000 is equal to 250 into K. Now we have to bring the values what is given in left side to the right side and right side values to the left side. So we will get the next step. Here 250 into K is equal to 1000. So K is equal to 1000 by 250. Now the value of K is 4. Already we have learnt about LRR. When the LRR is 25, the value of K is 4. When the LRR is 20, the value of K is 5. When the LRR is 10 and the value of K is 10. We have seen everything. So the correct option is A. The chapter about money and banking is over. We shall see the next chapter in the next video class. Thank you.